Hey, how's it going? It's Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com. And if you're curious to know how the top online marketers actually make the big profits, well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how they do it. So stay tuned. And let's get to it. So just like you, when I started online, you may or may not, relate. I had moments that I wasn't getting any results, right? And I was seeing people in that same program where I was in to make money. I was seeing people truly make big profits on the internet in that program that I was in. So I was curious to know how they were doing it. So I reached out to the one of the top earners, top marketers, and they really taught me what I'm about to teach you today, because that's how I actually have gotten my results online, right? I'm been making sales on the internet for some time now, and I just want you to also succeed. I want you to get sales, not just for the sake of getting sales or making money on the internet, but for the sake of you designing or redesigning your life like I have, and having to have the ability to be there for your loved ones. It is a really beautiful thing when you can be there for your loved ones. I'm here at home, and I get to spend more time with my wife, and we get to do other things that we enjoy doing, just being there for others and really making an impact in people's lives. So this is my way of making an impact in people's lives, is actually to share this type of tips on the internet. And so let's get to it. So it actually boils down to three simple things. It's 1, 2, and 3. The first thing that top online marketers do to make money online is they find products. They find products that are in high demand. These are products that people are looking for to solve a problem, right? And this is also called, when you find people on the internet looking for products, this actually is called traffic, right? If you go to Google or YouTube, you're watching this on YouTube, if you go to Google or YouTube, you know that there are people that are searching for solutions to the problems, including they're searching for products because the product is going to solve the problem. If you're hungry and you're actually passing by a restaurant, what's going to happen? And let's say that's the only restaurant in that area. What's going to happen? You're going to have, you're going to go to the restaurant, you're going to buy food for that restaurant because their food is in high demand, right? It's really in high demand because people are hungry, and that's the only restaurant that is around that area. Okay, so this is the same thing online. So they find products that are in high demand. Number 2, the second thing they do to make the big profits is that they offer those products to people who wants to buy them, right? These are people that are already searching for this product, so they offer these products to people who wants to buy them. And then number 3 is pretty much they pocket huge commissions. So when I say commissions, that means that these top earners, they're a part of a program, and this is an affiliate program. They're affiliated with a company that's actually supplying them with these products, right? And when they make sales, when they sell these products, they get paid huge commissions. I'm talking about these programs that pay huge commissions. There are a lot of programs on the internet right now that actually pay huge commissions for you, to people that sell their products. So all you got to focus on is bringing that company's, products, or I'm sorry, customers. And guess what? For doing that, they pay you huge commissions. And that's actually the big secret, and that's how top earners or top online marketers make the big profits. They provide products that they go out there and find products that are in high demand. Number 1, they offer those products to people that are looking to buy those products, and number 3, they pocket huge commissions. Now, how do you find the products that everyone is looking to buy? That's the big question. How do you do that? Well, that's simple. Just simply find a program that teaches you that. There's 3 things that you need in order to make profit on the internet, to make money online. Number 1, as I mentioned, you need a quality product that solves a problem. Number 2, you're going to need a high converting system. And this system is what does the telling and selling on your behalf, right? So that way you don't even have to sell, right? You don't even have to sell because you have a system in place that's taking care of this task. You can automate things. This is how I make money online, okay? So trust me, I know this process and I'm teaching you so you can actually go out there and crush it. Number three, uh, the third thing you need is to learn how to drive traffic into the system. And that's what I'm talking about. You actually find people that are searching on Google, YouTube, or even in social media, and you pretty much just put your solution in front of their, in front of these people. And that's how you learn how to drive traffic into the system. And again, traffic is simply visitors. But the big thing is that, or the big problem is that a lot of people don't know how to market properly on the internet or how to drive traffic properly on the internet. I see a lot of people doing this, but they just grab an affiliate link and they start spamming it anywhere or everywhere, and they don't know what the heck they're doing because they're not learning from the right people, they're not learning from the right environment, and they just don't have the right tools. So you're gonna need the right tools in order to go out there and find products everyone wants to buy. Okay, so if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation, if you're serious about creating success online and you want to create, you want to also make the big profits just like top online marketers do, I left you a link below this video. Click on that first link. That's my #1 recommendation, my #1 system that's going to help you become a top online marketer. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. If you're looking to make money online and be able to redesign your life, go ahead and click that link and just simply get access to that system. Is my #1 recommended system to make a full-time income on the internet. Okay, so hope you got value from this video, and if you did, just drop me some comments below, and I'll see you next time.